Welcome to column subtraction. This is the calm, tidy way to subtract without your working turning into spaghetti. First, put each digit into its correct place value column. Start on the right with the smallest place value. If the top digit is big enough, subtract. If it is too small, borrow from the column on the left. That borrowed one becomes 10 in the column you are working in. Red crossouts show old digits, red new digits show changed digits, and the small plus 10 shows the borrow in. We begin with 3-digit numbers. The table has hundreds, tens, and ones. Example 1. 634 minus 218. Ones first. 4 minus 8 cannot be done yet, so borrow 1 10 from the tens column. 3 tens becomes 2 tens, and 4 ones becomes 14 ones. 14 minus 8 is 6. Tens next. 2 minus 1 is 1. Hundreds. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 416. Lovely. No chaos, no calculator drama. Example 2. 705 minus 368. This one has a 0 in the tens column, which loves making things awkward. Ones first. 5 minus 8 cannot be done yet. The tens column is 0, so borrow from the hundreds first. 7 hundreds becomes 6 hundreds, and 0 tens becomes 10 tens. Now borrow from the tens into the ones. 10 tens becomes 9 tens, and 5 ones becomes 15 ones. 15 minus 8 is 7. Tens, 9 minus 6 is 3. Hundreds, 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 337. A 0 is not a wall. It is just a place value speed bump. Example 3. 263 minus 719. The first number is smaller, so the final answer must be negative. To find the size of the difference, place the larger number on top. 719 minus 263. Ones, 9 minus 3 is 6. Tens, 1 minus 6 cannot be done yet, so borrow from the hundreds. 7 hundreds becomes 6 hundreds, and 1 10 becomes 11 tens. 11 minus 6 is 5. Hundreds, 6 minus 2 is 4. The difference is 456. Because the original question was smaller minus larger, the final answer is negative 456. Now we move to 4-digit numbers. The table gains a thousands column, but the method is still the same. Right to left, place value by place value, borrowing only when the top digit is too small. Example 4, 4,316 minus 1,789. Ones, 6 minus 9 cannot be done yet, so borrow from the tens. 1 10 becomes 0 tens, and 6 ones become 16 ones. 16 minus 9 is 7. Tens. 0 minus 8 cannot be done yet, so borrow from the hundreds. 3 hundreds becomes 2 hundreds, and 0 tens becomes 10 tens. 10 minus 8 is 2. Hundreds, 2 minus 7 cannot be done yet, so borrow from the thousands. 4 thousands becomes 3 thousands, and 2 hundreds becomes 12 hundreds. 12 minus 7 is 5. Thousands. 3 minus 1 is 2. The answer is 2,527. Example 5. 6,002 minus 3,475. Ones first. 2 minus 5 cannot be done yet, and the tens and hundreds columns are both 0. So borrow across the place values in order. 6 thousands becomes 5 thousands, and 0 hundreds becomes 10 hundreds. Then 10 hundreds lends 100 to the tens column, leaving 9 hundreds and 10 tens. Then 10 tens lends 1 10 to the ones column, leaving 9 tens and 12 ones. Now subtract. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. The answer is 2,527 again. Same answer, different journey. Maths loves a plot twist. Example 6. 2,498 minus 7,106. The first number is smaller, so the final answer will be negative. Work out the difference by placing 7,106 on top and 2,498 underneath. Ones, 6 minus 8 cannot be done yet. Borrow from the hundreds into the tens, then from the tens into the ones. 100 becomes 0 hundreds. 0 tens becomes 10 tens, then 10 tens becomes 9 tens, and 6 ones becomes 16 ones. 16 minus 8 is 8. Tens, 9 minus 9 is 0. Hundreds, 0 minus 4 cannot be done yet, so borrow from the thousands. 7 thousands becomes 6 thousands, and 0 hundreds becomes 10 hundreds. 10 minus 4 is 6. Thousands, 6 minus 2 is 4. The difference is 4,608, so the original answer is negative 4,608. Now decimals. The decimal points must line up. Think of them as the anchor. If they wander off, the calculation starts wearing odd socks. Example 7. 8.37 minus 2.58. Hundredths first. 7 minus 8 cannot be done yet, so borrow from the tenths. 3 tenths becomes 2 tenths, and 7 hundredths becomes 17 hundredths. 17 minus 8 is 9 tenths. 2 minus 5 cannot be done yet, so borrow from the ones. 8 ones becomes 7 ones, and 2 tenths becomes 12 tenths. 12 minus 5 is 7. Bring the decimal point straight down. Ones, 7 minus 2 is 5. The answer is 5.79. Example 8. 3.47 minus 5.82. The first decimal is smaller, so the final answer is negative. Work out 5.82 minus 3.47. Hundredths. 2 minus 7 cannot be done yet, so borrow from the tenths. 8 tenths becomes 7 tenths, and 2 hundredths becomes 12 hundredths. 12 minus 7 is 5 tenths. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring the decimal point down. Ones, 5 minus 3 is 2. The difference is 2.35, so the original answer is negative 2.35. Example 9, 12.04 minus 7.89. Hundredths. 4 minus 9 cannot be done yet. Borrow from the ones through the tenths column. 2 ones becomes 1 1. 0 tenths becomes 10 tenths. Then 10 tenths lends 1 tenth to the hundredths. That leaves 9 tenths and 14 hundredths. 14 minus 9 is 5 tenths. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring the decimal point down. Ones, 1 minus 7 cannot be done yet, so borrow from the tens. 1 10 becomes 0 tens, and 1 1 becomes 11 ones. 11 minus 7 is 4. The tens column is 0 minus 0, so we do not need a leading 0. The answer is 4.15. To finish, remember the recipe. Line up the place values. Start on the right. Borrow from the left when the top digit is too small. For decimals, line up the decimal points and bring the decimal point down. For smaller minus larger, find the difference and make the final answer negative. At first, column subtraction is not about speed. It is about tidy working, because tidy working is maths armour.